Quick little tip with the Apple AirTag. These are great for traveling, especially if you're air traveling. They work all over the airport. You can stash them in your carry-on and your checked luggage, so you know where your bags are at all times. How often have you just got into a new destination and you're waiting on your checked baggage to come out and you're like, where is my bag? Or, you know, why is it not out yet? Where in the airport, or the process of, is it still on the plane? Is it somewhere else in the airport? Is it in the airport? And the Apple AirTag is great for that kind of reassurance and just getting a little bit of information on where your bag is at. Yes, this does need other iPhones around to work, but I mean, come on, we're in an airport, right? How many iPhones are in an airport? Thousands, probably. So I recently went on a trip to Costa Rica, stashed one in both my carry-on and my checked luggage, and it was great. I knew where in the airport my checked luggage was at all times. I knew that it got into the plane that I'm on and is about to depart. And when we got back from Costa Rica, it worked all in Costa Rica, all around the resort as well too. And when we got back from Costa Rica, I was able to track my bag getting off of the plane and being trafficked from the plane to the conveyor belt in Atlanta, Hartsfield. So these are great. They're very small. You probably only need to replace the battery once a year or so. And they're just easy to stash anywhere, but perfect for travel. So if you're someone who's traveling either abroad or all over the country and you're checking bags, and this can really alleviate some of the headache, especially if you lose your bags.